So I was doing a lot of research. I noticed that Contractor Dynamics was providing a lot of value, and I wanted to surround myself with better people who could help me build my business and build myself up personally as well. I got on YouTube and I was just looking up a bunch of marketing content, and I come to one of Jose's videos and I keep seeing more of his videos, and I'm just like, dude, this guy is a genius. He's just providing nuggets after nuggets, and he's doing it for free on YouTube. I don't get it, but I gotta know more. So I just reached out and they kind of mentioned it to me. I mean, it's been great. I was hesitant to just go ahead and spend the money when I was considering it. I'm like, is it truly gonna provide value? Am I gonna get anything out of it? Am I just gonna be losing the money? Am I just gonna be stuck in this group? I mean, because so often I feel like you can just sign up for something and you don't get what you think you're gonna get out of it. But I think after signing up for this, I got more value than what I think I could have got. I'm viewing more content. We're having better calls. I'm able to ask questions with some people who I never think that I'd ever be able to talk to. Go ahead and pull the trigger. I mean, you can't not get value out of this. What they are teaching, I see nobody in my market doing. So I'm excited to get back and start implementing some things and just really being intentional and consistent. So if you're on the fence, get out there, be the difference and be the change.